guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and new latest styles, ideas for girls and women's latest trend and latest crocheting handbags. Crocheting handbags can be a fun and creative craft project. You can create a variety of style and size using different crochet stitches and yarn types. If you have any specific question or need a pattern or tips for crocheting handbags, feel free to ask design and here are a few crochet handbags design ideas to inspire your creativity. Create a classic tote bag with sturdy handles using a simple stitches pattern. You can customize it with colorful yarn and add pockets for functionality and different beautiful unique stitches pattern to achieve a bowman style. Shoulder bag, earthy tones or vibrant color work well for these designs. So craft a disassemble market bag with an open work design. These are not only vertical but also user friendly and if you prefer a more functional design, try making a crochet backpack with adjustable straps. This is great for carrying your essentials on outdoor adventure. Create a trendy bags with a beautiful design and uh, color patch look. You can experiment with different texture and color to make it unique styles.